There's no better way to brighten the day than with a little bit of makeup. And if you're looking for that red carpet look, yellow eyeshadow is the way to go. For the makeup that I'll be using, check out the description below. So how do you get this trendy yellow eyeshadow look? I'll show you how. Let's get cracking. Using a big fluffy brush, apply yellow eyeshadow to your eyelid to get a nice base color. Going in with a smaller brush, use a shimmery yellow shadow on your eyelid and stop at the crease. Using a blending brush, add some brown shadow. Begin blending out from your crease and into the base yellow shadow. With a smaller brush, use the yellow shadow on your lower lash line. Blend out using the shimmery yellow shade. Use a smaller precise brush to add yellow shadow to the corner of your eyes to really make your eyes pop. And there you have it, your yellow eyeshadow look. Whether you want to tackle the red carpet or those dirty dishes that you've been meaning to clean. I hope this helped you create a makeup look you've never done before. And if it did, please give us a like. If you're looking for more beauty ideas or to create something entirely different, please check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Your next project may just be right here. Well, I'm gonna get started on our next makeup look. Check you guys later.